backtrack. I didn't know this was closed off. You gotta backtrack. It's closed off. You gotta backtrack. Yeah.
Okay.
Cut through here. I'll move up.
Hey. Hey. Hey, if you come up a room full of a bunch of people, we'll just throw a tornado in there.
Okay.
So come up.
We're gonna move. We're gonna move right.
I'll stay right here, stand over here. You're in the middle, take over on that left side. You draw fire. And be ready.
Watch out, we got this side.
Okay, we got something right here in the hallway. Hang on.
Good, good.
Cover me, okay?
Hey, tornado there. Tornado there. Did you go off?
Yeah. Fall back. Fall back, fall back.
This way.
Right, looks clear so far.
Go for it.
I'll say, wait for them to come to us. Take the majority of them out, then move in, and know where we're at.
I'm gonna knock it straight out. Do it. Knock at it.
You want me to deploy Thunder B on the left side to move right? We got a guy right. We got a guy right. Okay, I'll get this. I got the rear window.
Cover me.
Dave, get six. Medic.
Hey, he's gonna cover our back.
Me, I'll cover it. Okay, right this.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
All right, we got contact to the back. Contact.
Suppress fire and move up. Fuck, my battery's
We
dead.
got one right here inside
My
the tank.
battery's dead. Hey, let me get your pistol. My battery's dead.
Let me know when you need a mag.
Got it.
You want one next one? I'll give you one right now.
Yeah, that's fine. Got it.
We got 2 in the tank. 2 in the tank.
Okay, my gun's not beating. There's someone like right over here.
You need a mag?
No, that's fine.
We got one right here in this room. Right here in this room. Got one right here in this room. Right here. This room. Right here. We just ran all the way through then.
Don't get too close to this crack, we can shoot you through it.
Hit! They're coming through the back the way we came. This window, shoot, right there, he's right here. Get him in the back. In the back.
Where you at?
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. Got him. Hey. Hey. Hey, cover fire me. Keep shooting, keep shooting.
Hey, that's wrong.
Yeah,
Barely hit.
thanks. Who needs a mag? Anybody needs the pistol?
That's fine.
No,
Thanks.
good. Taylor, I don't know if Taylor needs a mag.
All right.
Where are we going?
We gotta move, man. Hang on me.
Come on, get our seats.
Got one right here. One right here. Back out, back out. He's gonna come right there. I'm gonna flank him. We got nothing back here.
Now, just watch the rooms we came in. Just watch those 2 rooms. Hey, across the hallway, behind the crate, there's 2 guys.
Okay. Who's shining a flashlight? Is that you, Dave?
Now, one guy, he's in the back. We'll spawn. The other guy is over on the other side. Just watch out for that window behind the crate.
We need to start moving to win this. Oh, one right here on the other side of the building. Okay, there's one right there. He just ran this way. Thunderbee.
Sizzle. Hey, watch out. Beside the crate.
Okay, okay.
Might be coming. They're all really fun.
Maybe through the middle building, so we have left and right, so we can shoot people out the windows.
Hey.
Got one in the window right here.
I'm pushing in the deep right now.
No one in that corner right
I
there.
don't think so.
I
guess we're gonna find out.
I want to take a dash. You want to lay that cover for me?
Which way? Which way you want?
I'm going straight and cutting right.
All right, I got you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hit. follow me. Don't follow me. Back out. Dude, get out. Right in the corner. Right in the corner. Clear. You're clear. Move on. You're clear. I need a medic. Right side depot. Medic. Okay. In. Nice spot, bro. I like that. Alright guys, I said we're going to middle building, sweep straight through. We got to pretty much clear that now. Copy that. I'm taking some fire through the middle buildings. Alright, we're right by the Jeep. Medic for the Jeep. We have it cleared over here by the Jeep. We just need to be revived. Come on guys, we need to move before time runs out. Come to the Jeep. Make sure you don't run past the Jeep fast.
He just tagged in like he respawned. Am I dead or not? Oh, I'm getting up. That's bullshit.
Right by the Jeep. Their spawn. It's clear. Go in front of the Jeep. Go in front of the Jeep. Alright, forget. I got medic. I'm good.
7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Alright, let's move. Let's take mine.
Yeah. Get. Watch us.
We're on the right side. We're rushing.
God damn, I didn't even fucking hear you, dude.
Sorry, man. I didn't see you until the last second. Mom, I'm sorry about that, man.
That's alright. I didn't get the fire shot.
Good job. We're in a jail cell. Jail cell clear. Jail cell. We're in a jail cell. Friendly. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. We're friendly. Yes, you made contact with me. We got some at the Jeep, the Ford. Where you guys at so we can meet up? Your guy's location. Alright, I'm in the jail. I'm already by the Jeep. I have a couple guys over here. If you guys can flank them, go around. Right here, by the Jeep. By the Ford. Right here, guys. This is where we have to take them out, right here. Got one. No, no, negative.
Is that it?
Don't see nobody. I think we got him.
I think they went in the back room and hid.
Well, you're the ones yelling. If you're a terrorist, supposed to yell.